Good morning, guys. I'm eating breakfast right now with the birds. It's the day I get to introduce Noki to everybody. I got Nico up there, Nari in the window, and Nick's right here on my head. I'm eating breakfast right now, and then I'm gonna go get Noki. And I'm just gonna have him on my shoulder and see what they do. My name is Colleen, and I have 3 cockatiels, and I just got a new one. And I've had him for maybe like 12, 13 days or something like that. And he has not been able to really be around the other birds yet. And today I'm introducing him to the flock. So this is Nyx. I could tell because she's crazy. I didn't even have to look, right? Nyx is 8 months old. She's a girl. And I got my new male cockatiel for her, didn't I? He's gonna be your boyfriend, isn't he? Arranged marriage, just kidding. Come here, Nyx. Nyx has been so interested in him. She's been trying to fly up. Yesterday, she would not stop flying up to my room. Constantly coming up and landing on my head and staring at him. So they saw each other and he loves her. So I'm gonna go get him now. Okay, I'm gonna leave you guys here. Nari's in there. Nyx is up here. You see Nyx up there? And Nico's in the nest box. And let's see what happens. I'm just gonna go get Noki, okay? This little boy is so tired. Here's Noki. You see Nico? I'm introducing Noki to the other birds. Look, Nyx came out. I'm surprised Nyx came out. She knows he's here. See, he has things to say. I'm hoping Noki bonds to Nyx. Look, is that gonna be your boyfriend? He loves you. She might put her wings up. Hi. Noki's meeting his girlfriend for the first time. I wouldn't be surprised if he tries to fly to her. He has, his wings are clipped. So I think it's gonna be the hardest part about having him with them because they fly and he can't. But it's pretty crazy that she's quiet because she is normally always flock calling. Look, he wants to get closer. He wants to get closer. I don't know if she'll let him. I'm trying to let you guys see it as well. Nyx, what you think? He loves you. I'll let them do what they're gonna do. Let's see what happens. Nyx might like try to bite at him. Oh, really? Oh. Don't get mad. He's a baby. He loves you, Nyx. Yeah. See his little heart wings that he's doing? That's a male behavior. This is good, you guys. Like, first time, dude, she like stayed and didn't try to attack him. That was amazing. Let's see what he wants to do. I think he wants to go. Let's see. Let me let him go on this because he can now. What you think? He's tapping in the cage. You guys, he's so cute. He's saying hi to the girls. Nyx, what you think? Oh. She's doing really well. Like, she's not attacking him. Oh my gosh, look at Nari looking down. And Nyx is being so quiet. You know, his heart wings and his tapping. He loves Nyx. Look at her. Are you showing your wings? Huh? Oh, they're on the same shoulder. Whoa, what are we doing here? Here's Nico. Come here. Look at your boy. Oh, he doesn't like it. When they put their wings up, he's like, what is that? See, this is where I'm wondering if I'd have a problem with these two. Because Nico's very dominant. Come here, Nico. See if he'll... Oh, Nyx! I had almost 2 on the head. So you can see Nyx is a twin to Nico. I don't even know if he realized that there's 2 yellow ones. He's like, wait, 2 yellow birds? Come here, Nico. What'd you think? What you think? He's like, don't get me close to that bird. Come here, boy. Is this your boyfriend? She's like trying to back up a little. Ooh! So let's put him up. Oh, he flew! He flew a little bit to the cage. Let's go see what he does. I think this is an amazing first time meeting. They're doing really well. She's not going after him. She's being kind of calm. Who is that? He's hopping, you guys. He's so cute. Look at him hop. Look at him hop. Oh my gosh, he's so cute. Uh-oh, Nico. Oh my gosh, guys. What you think, Nee? Noki's gonna win him over. I wouldn't be surprised if Nico puts his wings up right now. He's getting a little close. See? Nico, what you think? He's saying, don't get any closer. Nico, what do you think? Huh? There's Nix. That's what Nico thinks. Noki and Nixie. Let's see if I can get them all in the camera. There we go. It's so sunny though. Or like so bright. There we go. All 4 of my babies. Make it not so bright. Oh, Nico. Nee. Nico's getting mad. I'm going after him a little bit. Don't be mean, Nick. Don't be mean, my boy. My boys. Nee, don't be mean. Nico. Oh, he went after Noki. He's the one I was worried about because he is a dominant male. Okay, I have to remember what I was talking about. Oh, okay. So at this, he's 3 months. Noki is. I'm repeating what I want him to learn now. I have parrot whistle training videos on YouTube. If you want to go check it out, you can play parrot whistle training videos for your bird also. An easy way to do it is you can leave the house. You press play on YouTube, let it go, and then your bird hears it over and over again. If you go to Nico and Nari on my YouTube, speaking of that, if any of you guys want to help support me, go subscribe to my YouTube. That's all you have to do. You don't even have to watch my videos. Just subscribe to my YouTube, Nico and Nari, because it will help me out so much. If you go to any of my videos, my parrot whistle training videos, in the description, I have a ton of other songs you could just click on and see me whistle other songs. Also, I put my videos of my birds on there too, so, right, Nix? Look at my babies. Is that your girl? You have to go. That's what you have to do. Say. No, say. Say. Oh, you jumped right next to her. You love her. Gosh, you guys. Look how close. Nix is like, get away from me. Nixie. She's doing so good with him. Especially with how close he's getting. She's like, okay, get away from me. You guys, my hair. He's chasing her. This is why the males sing. To show off to the females. That sounds like a gun. No, okay, are you shooting a gun? Look, they're gonna eat together. They're gonna eat together. Come on, Noki, eat. He's like, how could I eat when she's so pretty? Don't take her away from her food. She'll be mad at you. Noki! I'm trying to get him and here, Noki, up. There you go. Don't scare her away from her food. I think they're gonna love each other, guys. Look, she's gonna follow him. I think they already love each other after 1 day. This is like, I mean, this is not even 1 day. This is like an hour. And they love each other. He's tapping in the bin, you guys. Oh my gosh, Noki, you're crazy. Go in there, Nixie. Go in there. If she goes in there with him, that's gonna be crazy. Look at her. She's getting all close to see what he's doing. Look, she's gonna go in the bin with him. So let me see if I can get a better view. She went in with him. Oh, they're so cute with each other. Oh, Noki's flying. Oh, look at him, and he landed well. Good boy, Noki. You're gonna go. Oh, that was Nix. Go down on the ground with him. Here, go on the. Here. There you go. What you guys think? There's my babies. Look, all four and me. There, family picture. Look at all four of them, you guys. Look at it. No, Nico, don't be mean to him. No. You're not going to be mean. I can see Nico. He's about to get him. You can't be mean to that boy. Neek, stop. No, Neek. Likes climbing this. Oh, Nix. Nixie, you showing your wings to Noki? Look at her. Ooh, he did a good job. Did you guys see that? He jumped to the rope. I am glad that I had these like days with him in my room because he'd be obsessed with Nix and not even care about me. Right now? He does. We bonded already, so he's my boy. Look at her little fluffy self. Good boy. Good boy. Look at him. Oh, dude, he just flew and landed on the cage. Well, you guys, it turned out pretty amazing. Now I'm gonna go get the other cage from upstairs and start putting this whole area together. I'll be back more often. Like, I'm gonna try to make this a schedule. Have a good day.